Good evening, boys and girls, and welcome back to another video. If you're new, my name is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, and in today's video we're going to be talking about some good news, some bad news, and some really shitty weather. So sit back, relax, grab yourselves a cup of tea, and let us get into the video. Alright, first things first, let's get the pleasantries out of the way. How is everyone doing? I hope you're all well. I know we've had some really amazing weather of late, but now the weather has got extremely shitty. Literally today was my first Monday back after being on holiday for 2.5 weeks, and this is what I fucking come back to. Fucking rain, but not just any old rain. Oh fuck no, not just any normal drizzle, any normal, you know, weather you can deal with. Oh fuck no. For the last hour and a half, fucking torrential downpour. I'd be home by now. I finished work at 6, right? I kid you fucking not. It's like 7 o'clock and I am nowhere fucking near home. Why? Because as per usual, the drainage system in London and Surrey does not have a fucking clue as to what it's doing. So we've had a shit ton of rain, and as you can imagine, the fucking drains don't know what to do with it. I kid you not. I've actually ridden this super long way round from my work just to get petrol, just to try and avoid as much of the fucking rain as I can. But guess what? Even I can't avoid it. Doesn't matter where you go or what you do, there's always something or someone who really cannot fucking drive or ride, and especially in these shitty conditions as well. And these kind of conditions, there's absolutely fuck all you can do about the rain. All you can do is deal with it and hope for the best, which is a lot easier said than done. But you know what the stupid thing is? I'm riding away from the rain, but this is where it gets even more fucking difficult, because people are coming from really shitty weather to slightly better weather, and let's just say some people's automotive skills leave a shitload to be desired. But hey ho, what can you do? It's mad what the weather's been doing just lately. It's like yesterday, lovely. Day before that, even better. Today, shit. And it's not even like drizzle or light rain, it's like full-on torrential rain like you would get in the fucking rainforest. I kid you not, it was raining that heavy at 5 o'clock this afternoon that I could not see out the fucking work door. I kid you fucking not, boys and girls. It was that fucking bad. Also, a bit of good news, I've now got myself a GoPro Hero session. I think it's the session 4, but I'm not 100% sure. But we're going to try and incorporate other camera angles, different points of view, to try and make the videos a bit more entertaining for everyone. Well, not just for obviously me doing them, but for you guys watching them as well. Also, as I said in the previous video, I am now the proud owner of a Arai RX-7V, to which I will be unveiling pretty soon. I am, however, waiting for, well, I'm not waiting for because it turned up today. I'm waiting to install a Ridetech Moto chin mount onto it. I reached out to those guys a little while ago, and they were kind enough to send me out a whole kit for free. It's fair to say that I'm very excited to be testing out a new bit of equipment on a new helmet. Kid you not, the fucking smell coming out of the drains around there, oh my fucking god. If you can imagine what the inside of a dead person smells like, that's about the only way I can describe what this smells like. It's fucking disgusting. And I do apologise if I'm shouting, but you know, the bike's fucking loud, do you know what I mean? In other news, if you guys follow BSB, earlier this week, or the weekend just gone, sorry, Christian Idden, who rides for the, what used to be called the Paul Bird Motorsport Be Wiser Ducati team. It's now the PBM Max Vision Ducati team or something like that. Yeah, Christian Idden took his medium, fuck's sake, his maiden victory in British Superbikes last weekend. But that aside, how's everyone's week been? How's everyone's, well, the last 2 or 3 weeks been, should I say? Because in the last fortnight I've only posted one video, which I'm very sorry for. I know I've been slacking on that front quite a bit, but as you can imagine, we've been on holiday. It's a bit of downtime for me, gives me a chance to recuperate and refresh, come back with some better ideas and so on. Hence, this is why I've got the session now. So it gives me new motivation, a new impetus, a new direction to focus in, and I'm hoping with a little bit of luck and a little bit of perseverance we will get there, and you guys will be benefiting from the better quality videos, the better quality audio, which is something that I'm looking into as well. I'm actually looking at upgrading my audio, my microphone to a Purple Panda mic, because that seems to be the done thing these days. Everyone seems to be using Purple Panda, so it must be good for something, otherwise people wouldn't buy them. What the fuck is going on here? These sad fuckers are fishing. I'm almost certain you're not supposed to fish there. I might be wrong. If anyone knows the answer to that question, feel free to drop it in the comments down below. Personally, I think that must be illegal. Oh, fuck's sake, more flooding. Oh, joy. You see, this is the problem, people. London in general is not fit for floods. Every time there's a massive torrential downpour like what we saw today, nowhere is prepared. No drains are prepared. No gullies are prepared. No storm drains are prepared for what comes out of the fucking heavens. Absolutely no one is fucking ready for it. Not in the slightest. This weather is appalling. This guy's Audi's appalling because it's missing its rear skirt. I'm appalling because I'm soaking wet and smell funny. But, you know, live and learn, don't you? You live and learn. It is what it is. I mean, normally, as you know, I would ride my visor down. But thanks to the way this weather's been and how quickly it's getting dark now, I've got no choice but to ride with it open. If I could get away with riding with it closed, naturally I would. Thanks to global warming, thanks to shitty weather, thanks to also, thank you fucking Apple. Thank you so much for lying to me. Now, whoever's got an iPhone will know the answer to this, or should I say will be aware of this. How often does that Apple weather app get the fucking weather wrong where you are? Just honestly, in the comments again, just like with the other thing I said. In the comments, how many people have found out that the fucking Apple weather app is wrong? So I was on the app on my phone, I kid you not, it said to me, or it showed me, that it was going to rain heavily up until 6 o'clock and then stop. But guess what? It fucking didn't. It rained from 4:30 to gone 6. But this weather, man, just puts me in a fucking foul mood. Do you know what I mean? It's like the weather just knows to fuck you around. Anyway, this shit is getting beyond the joke now, I'm telling you. My bike is that hot now, like it was when I went out with New Biker the other week. Let's go! I love the fact that people think they can outrun me, because guess what? My friends, ladies and gentlemen, you cannot outrun me. You can try, but you will fail miserably. It's impossible! Oh, fucking hate this weather. Let's go, let's go! I don't understand it. I'm never normally around here this late in the evening. What are people doing queuing outside of shops? What is it? What the fuck is going on? Are you taking the actual piss? Rude boy, you dickhead bus driver. I love how people think they can just fucking dip out of side roads. Oh, it does my nut in. It does my nut in. It really fucking does. Does my pieces. You heard of pieces of hate? Well, guess what? I've got pieces of fucking hate. And it's usually aimed at fucking drivers like this cunt here in this white van who thinks it's alright to sit in the wrong lane and fucking indicate to the road in the lane. Sorry, allow me to rephrase that. It's like dickheads like that guy back there in that white van in one lane indicating to go in another. Someone like to enlighten me as to why people like that do that? Or why people do that? Because they're too fucking stupid to pay attention to the road? Or what? I have no fucking idea. What I do know is my bike is steaming. I am steaming. I am hot. I am sweaty. Oh, pardon me. Customary burp. And I'm approximately an hour and a quarter late getting home from work. But it is what it is. It's not even that cold. You know, I know it's been raining, and it's been raining a fucking lot. But literally, I am sweating. It's taking the fucking piss, bruv. Again, that's another fucking perfect example of people not looking at where they're going. It's shit like that I have to deal with on a fucking daily basis. But what can you do, ladies and gents? What can you fucking do? I often wonder where people get their fucking driving licenses from. Obviously from the back of fucking cereal packets. But anyway, ladies and gents, this wraps up another wet, slightly moany, slightly shouty video. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to comment, like and subscribe. Smash that like button, tap that bell, be part of the family, get involved. But for now, this is Lee, aka Rollin Thunder, saying look after yourselves, look after each other, stay safe on the road, stay away from COVID-19, be sensible, be safe, and as always, adios!